The example that I did involving free variables before had one free variable. Now I want to do an example that has two free variables. Let's look at the system x1 plus 4x2. Well, let me just say I row reduced this and I got the augmented matrix 1, 4, -2, -1, 5, and 0, 0, 1, -2, 3. So this is already in row echelon form. We've got a leading one here and then a leading one a little further to the right in this row, but no leading one in this column, no leading one in that column. So that means that x2 and x4, 1, 2, 3, 4, are free variables. Then when we go to write down the solution to this system, we have the second equation, x3 minus 2x4 equals 3. We'll let x4 be whatever symbol we like, say t. Then x3 equals 3 plus 2t, because we add the 2x4 to both sides. 3 plus 2x4 is t. And then we go to the next equation, x1 plus 4x2 minus 2x3. x3 is 3 plus 2t. Minus 1x4, x4 is t, equals 5. Now we can't solve for x1 in terms of numbers and t's here because we've got this other variable x2. Since x2 is a free variable, we'll let that be another symbol, let's say s. Then x1 plus 4s minus 6 minus 4t minus t equals 5, which means that x1 equals, we'll put all of this on the other side, 5 plus 6, 11. We've got a minus 5t here, plus 5t, and then a plus 4s here, which becomes minus 4s. So our solutions are x1 is 11 plus 5t minus 4s. Oops, x1. x2 equals, that was just s. x3 equals 3 plus 2t. And x4 equals t. Another way of writing this is we could separate out all the constants, all the s's and all the t's. We've got a constant of 11 here. And then 0 and then 3 and 0. And then s, what are all the coefficients of s? We've got minus 4 here, 1 there, and then no s's and no s's. And then where are the t's in this expression? We've got 5 here, none there, 2 here, and then 1 in the last position. So the solutions are all the vectors of this form, 11, 0, 3, 0, plus s times this, plus t times that, where s and t are real numbers. So I've written this in set notation with the set braces, and that means that all the expressions of this form and then that long vertical line means where, and s and t in the real numbers means s and t are real numbers. So the set of all expressions of this form, this vector plus s times that vector plus t times that vector, where s and t are real numbers. That means we could plug in any real numbers we want for s and t and get different solutions. Now there's infinitely many real numbers we could plug in for s and infinitely number of real numbers we could plug in for t, so obviously we're going to get infinitely many possibilities here for the solution. The end.